Hello, I saw your question about the homework from 4 to, I guess this is number, let's see which one, number 7. So section 4.2, number 7, not the same numbers, but so there are a couple ways you could do this. If you go page 192, you could do this by hand to find this the least squared equation line. You'd have to find R from 4.1, the equation there. B sub 1 is, that's coefficient of x is R times standard deviation of y over standard deviation x. And B sub 0 is the mean of y minus B1 times the mean of x. Okay, or so you could do it by hand, and you can use technology. On page 197, they tell you how to use technology, both the calculator and StatCrunch. So I'd probably use the technology. Also, the videos for the section show you how to use StatCrunch and the calculator, how to do the least squared regression line. So if you decide to use StatCrunch, you can click here and import the data in here, or you can type it in hand. And so after you have the data in here, you click on Stat, then regression. You come down to regression and simple linear regression. Then you put in the explanatory and response variable x and y. You choose those and you just click OK, and the equation is right here. Here be b sub 1, which is mentioned, and here be b sub 0. And they give it again here. Hope this helps.